These are the directions for Thursday, April 16th. It says, "It's a tremendous Thursday." Watch these directions first and then click on the Week 1 Thursday slides. Things to complete and turn in today. You need to read the Letterland story on the slides. Bonus, make a list of OI, OY words and send them to me. You need to complete the Edpuzzle video. The link is in the slides. Do the Measure Twice assignment, which is over here. And do 15 minutes of literacy centers and 15 minutes of math centers. You may play a money game from the social studies slides as part of your math centers. You might notice that some of the things that it says that you need to complete, such as the Edpuzzle video, do not show up under your work. That is because when you click on Edpuzzle, I can see, and you complete it, I can see the work, but you will not have to come back to Google Classroom and turn that in. Let's look at the Thursday slides. Okay, this shows our schedule, our contact information. Remember that I have office hours from 10 to 11 and 3 to 4. Please watch this video before you begin doing any work. You will notice that as you go through the slides today, you will see a little symbol that looks like this. That symbol means that if you click on it, you will hear me giving directions. So right here, I'm reading what it says on this slide. You need to read the unit story. Think about these questions. Here is the link for Edpuzzle. If you click here, you can hear the directions. Take a brain break, do your centers, and then do social studies. Remember that you should watch the video that's located here first, and then come back to the slides. There is a video right here that will help you skip count by quarters. And there's another one here to help you count money. A practice video, a fun one that you could do a dance break to, and 2 games. After that, second graders, you go back to Google Classroom, click Turn In, and you're all done. Looking forward to seeing your work.